Hello, in this video I will talk about the weekly Linux news roundup. So on first we have Ubuntu Touch OTA based on Ubuntu 20.4 LTS, then GNU Cache 5.0 with a new stock transaction assistant, Porteous Kiosk 5.5 with Linux kernel 6.1 LTS and XFAT support, PTV 2023.3 video editor with auto aligner and improved audio waveforms. Ubuntu Cinnamon Remix now official Ubuntu flavor. OBS Studio 29.1 promises AV1 HEVC streaming and lossless audio recording. Phoenix 125 Linux distro for system admins with Linux kernel 6.1 LTS, Blender 3.5 with new sculpting feature and light sampling, Qt Creator 10 open source IDE with LLVM 16 support and CMake improvements. A System 76 a new Gazelle Linux laptop with 13th gen Intel CPU and 64 GB RAM. KDE's Plasma Mobile ported to KDE's Framework 6 and Qt6. LibreOffice 7.5.2 open source Office suite with 96 bug fixes. Ubuntu 23.4 beta with GNOME 44, Linux kernel 6.2 and a new installer. Ubuntu Touch OTA 25 rolling out with minor improvements. Linux Lite 6.4 based on Ubuntu 20.4.2 LTS. This was all. For more, a link in the description. Thank you.